Today I'll guide you through the process of adding a follow button of your Facebook page. Let's say you've created a Facebook page and you're eager to grow your followers. Adding a follow button allows anyone visiting your page to easily subscribe to updates and notifications. Let's dive into the steps. Open Facebook app and tap on the menu button located at the bottom right corner. Navigate to Pages and switch to the page you want to add the follow button to. Once you pack, you can preview how it looks to others by tapping on the three dots and select View As. This shows you what visitors see when they land on your page. Now let's add the follow button. Tap on the Add Action button and then select Edit buttons. Depending on the type of page you've created, fan, page, hobby, page, business, etc. You'll have different options for buttons. Look for the follow button among the available options. If the follow button is listed, simply tap on it and hit save to add it to your page. However, if you don't see the follow button, don't worry. The like button essentially serves the same purpose as the follow button. When visitors tap like, they'll receive notifications for your post, updates, and more. After making any changes, you can preview your page again to ensure everything looks good. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave them in the comments below. That's it. Adding a follow button can help boost engagement and keep your audience updated on your page activities. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.